ways using a cup, healthy eyeliner. Check out creative and hilarious beauty hacks in our new video. Oh gosh, I'm so late to class. The professor can't be late. I need to run. Miss Smith forgot to take her under eye patches off in her rush, but no one noticed it under the sunglasses. Once she took them off in the classroom, the whole world sees her patches. Professor, are we having a spa day instead of a lecture? Whoops! Sorry, I forgot! On the other hand, now we know a handy life hack. You can wear eye patches under sunglasses and no one will know. Megan is super lazy. If she needs to go out, she doesn't like to spend a lot of time getting ready. And what about makeup? Lazy lipstick was invented for people just like this. Take apart an eraser container. Wrap the eraser in light clay. Create the shape you need. Microwave some lipstick and pour it into the eraser mold. Take the lipstick out of the mold after it hardens and put it into the container. Decorate it with sparkly foam paper and stickers. You can do your lips with this lipstick in less than 2 seconds. Okay, I'm headed out. Ooh, here he comes, my dream boy, Ananias from the other section. And of course, I look like a zombie today. I need to take urgent beauty action. But I only have lipstick with me. That won't stop me. I'll put my lipstick on first. Then I'll use the same lipstick to give myself some blush. And I'll line my eyes to make them look fresh. There we go! Now I'm beautiful again! I'll show off my assets with a stylish walk. Wow! Aphrodite from the other section! Did our thrifty professor's eyeliner dry out? How awful! But an inventive professor can always find a way out. Add a few drops of distilled water to activated charcoal pills. Crush it into little pieces and mix till you get an even consistency. Take the pulp out of a slice of aloe. Chop it and mix the charcoal with aloe. Add a few drops of coconut oil to the mix. Stir it well and pour the mix into a clean eyeliner vial. All-natural eyeliner accents my eyes and my intellect. Plus, this eyeliner is good for your lashes too. I'm a makeup genius! What's that noise? This is so disrespectful! Come on, wake up this instant! When you get sleepy in class, use this life hack. Ask your friend to cover you. And draw yourself a backup pair of eyes. Draw open eyes on closed eyelids. Color the eyelid in with a white eye pencil. Use colorful eyeshadow to shade in the iris. Draw the lines of the upper and lower lashes around the eye. And glue on fake eyelashes. Don't forget to add shine on the pupil. Perfect! Now you can sleep with your eyes wide open. The professor won't notice. Just don't snore. Let's have a morning concert. Do you want to be a star not only in your bathroom, but also in real life? Perfect hair, perfect makeup, and a perfect life. Start with teasing your hair using a toothbrush so you look like a rock star. Whoops! I think I got carried away. Forget this! I'm having a cozy evening at home. I'm on a date with cookies and Netflix. Oh no! I'm also supposed to be on a date with my boyfriend in 5 minutes. I need to get ready right now. So much makeup. I need a quick look. I'll use intuitive art techniques and do my makeup on the table. Voila! All done. Oh, I forgot about perfume. Hey, can I use your new lip gloss? Sure. It was here somewhere, in my super handy makeup bag. Hang on. It's a little messy. A little? This is a black hole, not a makeup bag. Here, take my useful makeup organizer for your essentials. Cut a long strip out of a plastic folder. Attach double-sided tape to a piece of leather fabric. And fasten the plastic strip to it. Place a brush under the plastic and glue a hole to fit it. Glue pockets for the rest of the makeup the same way. Wrap the organizer into a tube and tie a knot on the cord. Glue the knot to the makeup bag and wrap it around. Great! Thanks for the handy makeup bag. This is exactly what I need. My makeup won't be messy anymore. Bye-bye, messy life! What lipstick should I pick? I can't make up my mind. Nope, this one isn't good. Let's look for another one. There is so much stuff in this makeup bag. I'm still not sure. Hey, girls, move! I need some space for my giant lipstick. Microwave broken lipsticks. Pour them into a round ice cream mold. And put in a stick. Let it harden. Cut 2 cardboard rolls of different sizes and put together a piece that is shaped like a lipstick tube. Wrap the tube in metallic cardboard and sparkly foam paper. Cut a makeup bottle and cover the lipstick with it instead of a cap. Wow, it's a king-size lipstick! It will make my life easier! Ciao! How do you get curls without a curling iron? Use a cup. Place a cup onto your forehead and wrap strands of hair around it. Fasten with bobby pins and secure with hairspray. Wait a little and take the cup off. Voila! Our trick was a success! Enjoy your soft, wavy hair! Did you like our beauty hacks? Then comment below which one you'd use. Curl your hair with a cup. Would you make a handy makeup bag? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty hacks from Troom.